Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out which pool you are on in the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the Marble Snap game, if you haven't played the game before, then you will be asked to complete a few tutorial levels. Once you complete these levels, you will gain access to the main menu after you have set up your username and linked an online account. Now the progression system within the game works in such a way that the more you progress and win points, you will gain access to newer levels of Season Pass. You will see your current level at the right side of the play button. When you tap on this will show you the different levels that you have cleared. On every multiples of 10, in the higher stages, you will gain rewards and you will unlock the newer Season Pass. So depending upon which level you are on, you will be connected within a pool of users that are within the same level ranges as you are. So this means that there is no option to change the pool directly. When you tap on the settings icon at the top left corner, there are various different options, but there is no option to change or modify the pool or server. So every time you tap on the play button, the person that you are matched with is someone who is within the same range or season pass as you are. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about the pool system on Marble Snap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.